Our work is about disentanglement and mutual information in the context of semi-supervised variational autoencoders. Learning disentangled representations in deep generative models is a challenging problem. Impossibility results are well documented in the literature, arising due to the rotational invariance present in these models. However, when label information is available for the disentangled latent factors of interest, we can do better, even if only a small fraction of the training data is labeled. Our work considers techniques for learning disentangled representations in this setting, examining the effect of the latent dimension as well as a novel mutual information penalty applied to the objective function. Our results show that learning disentangled representations requires a fine balancing act between model architecture, objective function, and partial supervision.